everyone, welcome back. I'll show you how to do spot trading using Bybit mobile app and be able to swap one token for another. Before we begin, please note that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed professional before making any investment decision. Step 1. Open and log in. First, open your Bybit application and log in with your account. As you can see here, I have my account with a balance ready for trading. Step 2. Navigate to markets. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the navigation bar. Tap on Markets. This will take you to the Trading Pairs section. Step 3. Select Spot Trading. Once you're in the Markets section, make sure you have Spot selected at the top. This is important because we want to do spot trading, not futures or other derivatives. Step 4. Search for your token. You can browse through the list of available trading pairs or use the search function at the top to find the specific token you want. Step 5. In my case, I want to buy XRP, so I'll select XRP from the list. This will take me to the trading interface for this specific pair. Step 6. Place your order. Now you'll see the trading interface with the price chart and order placement section. At the bottom, you'll see buy and sell options. Since I want to buy XRP, I'll tap on Buy. Step 7. Enter order details. Enter the amount you want to spend or the quantity of XRP you want to buy. You can choose between different order types. Market order will execute immediately at current market price, while limit order lets you set your desired price. Step 8. Confirm and execute. Review your order details, then tap the Buy XRP button to execute your trade. Your order will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation. And that's it. You've successfully swapped tokens on Bybit mobile app. The tokens will appear in your spot wallet and you can check your balance in the wallet section. Thanks for watching. Like for more quick guides and subscribe so you don't miss futures videos.